the power of determination, forcing yourself to get it done. Have you ever wondered why some people seem unstoppable, achieving their dreams no matter the odds, while others give up at the first sign of difficulty? What makes one person push forward when everything screams give up? The answer lies in one of the most underrated forces driving success: determination. And it's more than just a word, it's a mindset, a habit, and a superpower hidden within all of us. Imagine being on the brink of a breakthrough, just one more step away, but stopping short because the journey feels too hard. That's what happens when we lack determination. Today, we're diving deep into why determination is the key to turning dreams into reality, how it works like an engine propelling you through obstacles, and what you can do to harness it in your own life. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand determination on a whole new level, but you'll have actionable steps to awaken this unstoppable force within you. So why should you stick around? Because in this video, we're going beyond cliches. We're uncovering the science, the stories, and the strategies that can transform your life. You'll learn about the psychological hacks that keep top achievers moving forward, the unexpected role of failure in building resilience, and how tiny daily habits can reshape your reality. And here's the kicker: I'm going to share a lesser-known real-life story that proves determination is not just powerful, it's life-changing. If you've ever felt stuck, unmotivated, or unsure of how to push through challenges, this is the video for you. Welcome to Divine Reality, where we uncover the tools to unlock your fullest potential. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights and inspiration to help you manifest the life you deserve. Let's get started. Before we talk about how to harness determination, let's first understand what it really is. Determination is more than a fleeting burst of motivation. It's a mindset and a practice that keeps you going when everything else tells you to stop. It's the difference between someone who gives up after a failure and someone who pushes through, learning from their setbacks. While motivation is like a spark, a quick burst of energy, determination is the fire that keeps burning, even when the winds of doubt and difficulty blow. Think about motivation for a moment. It feels great, doesn't it? That initial excitement when you start a new goal, like a fitness program or a big project, can be electrifying. But here's the catch: motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes, often dictated by our emotions or external circumstances. Determination, on the other hand, is the constant force that doesn't depend on how you feel. It's what makes you get up early to work on your dream, even when you're tired, stressed, or doubting yourself. History and real-life stories give us countless examples of determination in action. Take Thomas Edison, for instance. He famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Most people would have quit after a fraction of those attempts, but Edison's determination to create the light bulb revolutionized the world. He didn't rely on bursts of motivation. Instead, he leaned on his commitment to keep experimenting, no matter how long it took. Another example is Helen Keller. Born deaf and blind, she could have easily given in to a life of limitations. Instead, her unyielding determination, paired with the guidance of her teacher Anne Sullivan, allowed her to achieve what many considered impossible. She became a renowned author, speaker, and advocate for people with disabilities, proving that determination can shatter even the toughest barriers. Determination is also evident in athletes like Michael Jordan, who was once cut from his high school basketball team. Instead of letting that rejection define him, he used it as fuel to become one of the greatest basketball players of all time. Stories like these show us that determination isn't a gift reserved for a lucky few. It's a choice anyone can make. So while motivation might give you the energy to start, it's determination that ensures you finish. Before we talk about how to cultivate determination, let's explore why it's so crucial in the first place. Determination is the invisible force that allows us to push past obstacles, no matter how overwhelming they seem. It's what keeps us moving forward when self-doubt whispers, "You can't do this," or when external circumstances make success feel out of reach. Without determination, even the most carefully laid plans can crumble. Think about the challenges life throws at us, unexpected failures, rejections, or even the voice in our heads that questions our abilities. Determination acts like a compass in these moments, guiding us back on track. It silences the noise of negativity and keeps us focused on the bigger picture. Without it, those setbacks become stopping points rather than stepping stones. Determination is also the bridge between dreaming and doing. Everyone has dreams, but turning those dreams into reality requires consistent effort. This is where determination shines. It transforms abstract ideas into actionable steps, pushing us to take that next small action, even when progress feels slow or invisible. Every major accomplishment, whether building a business, mastering a skill, or overcoming personal struggles, has determination at its core. Let's consider the story of J.K. Rowling, who faced countless rejections before finding a publisher for Harry Potter. It wasn't talent alone that kept her going, it was her determination to share her story with the world. Or take Nick Vujicic, born without arms and legs, who became a world-renowned motivational speaker. His journey wasn't free of struggles, but his determination allowed him to rise above his circumstances and inspire millions. Without determination, even the most brilliant strategies or innovative ideas can lose their momentum. It's not enough to know what to do, you must have the resolve to keep doing it, day after day. Before we talk about how determination changes your life, let's dive into how you can actually cultivate it. Determination isn't something you're born with, it's something you develop step by step through intentional actions and mindset shifts. At its core, determination starts with knowing what you want and why it matters. The first step is defining clear goals. Vague ambitions like "I want to be successful" or "I want to be happier" aren't enough to ignite determination. You need to know exactly what you're striving for. Is it to land a dream job? Build a healthier body? Write a book? Be specific. And don't stop there. Ask yourself why this goal is important to you. When you connect a goal to a deeper purpose, it becomes much harder to give up when the going gets tough. Next, break those big goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Imagine trying to climb a mountain without knowing where the trail begins. It's overwhelming. But when you focus on just reaching the next milestone, the journey becomes less daunting. Each small victory, whether it's completing a chapter of your book or sticking to your workout plan for a week, builds momentum. Celebrating these wins, no matter how minor they seem, reinforces the habit of progress. Another vital part of cultivating determination is building a resilient mindset. Challenges and failures are inevitable, but they don't have to derail you. Instead of seeing setbacks as reasons to quit, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. This mindset shift is what separates those who succeed from those who stop trying. Consider the story of Walt Disney, who was fired from a newspaper for lacking creativity before eventually building his empire. His determination allowed him to turn criticism into fuel for his dreams. Consistency is another pillar of determination. It's not about doing extraordinary things in short bursts, but committing to small, consistent actions every single day. Even if it's just 10 minutes of practice or one email sent toward your goal, these small steps add up over time. Remember, determination isn't about waiting for perfect conditions, it's about showing up, rain or shine. Finally, surround yourself with inspiration. Whether it's reading about people who've overcome adversity, watching motivational content, or connecting with a supportive community, these sources of inspiration remind you what's possible. Hearing how others achieved their dreams despite overwhelming odds can reignite your own determination when you're feeling stuck. Before we talk about achieving extraordinary outcomes, let's explore some practical strategies that can help you stay determined, even when things get tough. Determination, like any skill, requires consistent reinforcement. These strategies are simple yet powerful ways to keep your motivation alive and your focus sharp. Start by developing a daily habit of reflecting on your progress. This doesn't have to be time-consuming. A quick journal entry or a moment of mental review can do wonders. Ask yourself, what did I achieve today? And what's the next step when you track your progress? No matter how small, you remind yourself that you're moving forward. It's easy to lose sight of how far you've come when you're focused on how far you have to go, but daily reflection helps bridge that gap. Another effective strategy is creating accountability. Share your goals with someone you trust, a friend, family member, or mentor, and check in with them regularly. Knowing that someone else is aware of your objectives can give you an extra push to follow through, especially on days when you feel like slacking. Accountability partners also provide encouragement and constructive feedback, which can help you stay on track. Incorporating positive affirmations and visualization techniques is another way to fuel determination. Affirmations like "I am capable of achieving my goals" or "I have the strength to overcome any challenge" can rewire your mindset to focus on possibilities instead of limitations. Pair this with visualization. Imagine yourself achieving your goal, feeling the joy and satisfaction of success. This mental rehearsal prepares your brain for real-world action, making your goals feel more attainable. Taking care of your physical and mental health is equally critical. Determination thrives when you have the energy and clarity to stay focused. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and sufficient sleep are non-negotiable. Similarly, mental well-being practices like meditation, mindfulness, or simply taking breaks can prevent burnout. Remember, a strong mind and body are your foundation for persistence. Each of these strategies reinforces the mindset and habits that fuel determination. When practiced consistently, they become second nature, helping you push through challenges and stay focused on your goals. Determination is the force that can turn dreams into reality, no matter how big or small. It's what separates those who wish from those who achieve. When you embrace determination, you unlock the power to overcome challenges, stay focused on your goals, and transform your life. It's not about waiting for the perfect moment or feeling motivated. It's about starting now, even when it's hard. So force yourself to take that first step today, no matter how small it seems. Once you begin, you'll find your determination growing stronger with every action you take. Remember, the life you want is within reach. You just have to stay committed to the journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a little extra motivation. Don't forget to subscribe to Divine Reality for more inspiring content to help you achieve your fullest potential. Your success is waiting. Go get it.